So we are in Sabah looking at some of the houses that were affected by the hurricanes that happened last year. And I just wanted you to get a look at this. This wall back here, if you can see where the color changes, the water was over that. And so to be up that high, you would see that it has to take this house. After the water went down, they came back and added the 3 more layers of the block. But can you imagine? Can you imagine having your house underwater? I don't know what else to say.